Tom Britton, co-founder of SyndicateRoom, joined by Sherden Timmins, the CEO of Camallergy. Sherden, thank you for joining us at the Fund launch event.
Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure always. For those that don't know a bit about what you do, can you give us a bit of the backstory of Camallergy?
Certainly. So at Camallergy, we're developing what will be the world's most effective treatment for peanut allergy. It's immunotherapy, whereby we give small but increasing doses of peanut allergens to peanut allergic patients, mostly children, but we're also going to enter into adults. And it gradually desensitizes them over time.
Excellent. Now, you don't have a background in this space, in a sense. You're a management consultant, I know that. Tell me, how did you get involved with the company?
Yeah, it was interesting. When I first met my co-founders, I admitted I'd never worked in pharmaceuticals before. It was all new to me, and they said, actually, we want an outsider's point of view. That was a gamble, but I've really enjoyed the experience. So I met them. I did my MBA at the Judge Business School, and it was a bit of serendipity. They had this incredible treatment under development in an academic setting, and they wanted to take it commercial, so they needed a business person. We met them and got along straight away.
And they'd been working on it for, what was it, 10 years before you got involved?
Yeah, about a bit over 10 years, and I got involved a few years ago. I helped them turn it from an academic project into a spin-out company, raise some funding, help them develop a drug.
And obviously Fund 28 and SyndicateRoom have invested in the last kind of 12 months or so. What have you achieved since then?
Yeah, so since then we've grown the team and we've continued to develop our supply chain. It's quite a surprisingly technical thing, turning peanut into a pharmaceutical grade product.
You're operationalizing peanut.
Exactly, yeah. Building the manufacturing and the quality controls to go with it. And we've also been recruiting a US-based CEO to take us forward into the next funding round and eventual US IPO.
Excellent, that's fantastic. I heard recently that you had hit a milestone of treating, if you will, over, I think it was 150 children?
160 children 160 now, yeah.
Okay.
The thing I'm really proud of is we've been fine-tuning the treatment, and we're now on about a 97% success rate.
I'm assuming
which
that's
is
quite
kind of
high.
Unheard of in the field. Yeah.
No, that's fantastic.
So we're very excited about the prospect.
Excellent. And you mentioned a little bit about what you're planning to do in the next 12 to 14 months, but could you elaborate a little bit more on the things that you'd like to achieve?
Yeah, so big investment that we're about to embark on is building a new manufacturing facility to make our product to clinical trial scale. And we've also just incorporated in the US, and we'll be raising funding to go to the phase 3 trial. We need to finalize discussions with regulators to get that done as well. Make sure our plan, which is largely aligned to the European regulators, we need to finalize it with the US FDA.
That's something that someone with a management consulting background can sort out easily.
Yeah, I've had to put in a lot of outside help, but yes.
You're used to the 8 hours a week, right? No. Thank you for joining us. It's been a pleasure, and I hope in the next 12 months or so we hear more from you and the achievements that you make.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Right.